Oh No, Astro by Matt Roeser, illustrated by Brad Woodard. Everyone knows that asteroids are a rather rambunctious group.
Crash, bash, smash.
Well, most asteroids. All Astro wanted was for his personal outer space to be respected, as it had been for millions of years.
Greetings, celestial wanderer,
said Astro to an approaching satellite.
Please keep your distance. You stay in your orbit, and I'll stay in mine. It's one of the core rules of the cosmos, you know. No loitering. And yet you've come closer. No loitering. Good gravity! You've struck me!
Astro was understandably distraught, but before he could point out to the satellite that it had done considerable damage to one of his favorite craters, he began to spin.
Pluto's revenge! That rotating rogue seems to have knocked me off orbit. This is humiliating.
Astro found himself in an unknown territory.
When an asteroid leaves its orbit, it hurtles through space on an unpredictable path, reaching unstoppable speeds.
Why, I never...
But he did.
Hi, Mars. Bye, Mars.
Meanwhile, an Earth girl named Nova was enjoying a quiet night of stargazing when something caught her eye.
Pardon me.
As Astro zoomed past the moon, he realized with a sudden clarity where and how his journey would end.
I don't like confrontation.
Asteroid began to break apart as he entered Earth's atmosphere.
Tickles!
Smash! Astro opened one eye, then the other. He was certainly smaller, but still in one piece.
My stars,
he muttered.
Dare I say that was fun? What on earth shall we do next?